Good morning guys, today I am back with another video. This video is particularly how to keep away your rat menace from your car. Now during the winter this problem is more since the car engine bay is one of the most loved places the rats will find because it's warm. So the rats find this particular place a very comfortable place to stay, and during the winter it's more common. So the first step I would suggest, here in this case it's not possible. The best step will be to wash the engine tray from a service center, so it will be easier for you to find which places you need to do that. But if you can't do that, even then it is possible. Now I have made a dedicated video with some other procedure, but this is a more easier process and not everybody will be comfortable with the process that I have shown earlier. So this is another process and I will be doing this for this particular car. I use 3mm rodent repellent spray. You need to know what are the most loved places of the rats. They are specially in and around the battery.
It is a rat repellent.
It is a rat repellent. So what are the most loved places? One is near the battery, then the places behind the engine, and these particular areas which are rats' favorite nesting grounds. So I will spray this repellent generously, and this has got a particular smell and it remains say for 15 to 20 days. Again
Active.
Yes, it will remain active for 10 to 15 days.
And the rats will not come.
Rats will come, but they will go away
Finding the smell to be bad.
Yes, finding the smell to be bad. That is the way it works.
Achha.
So let me spray this particular rat spray. And you don't have to worry about whether the product will do any harm to your car engine bay or car body. So it won't be a problem. This product has been formulated in that particular way, so you need not worry about that. Spray generously. These are one of the favorite places. Shake the bottle again. প্রচুর খাঁজ আছে আপনার এই গাড়িতে।
নিচ থেকে একবার দেখবো ওই জায়গার।
This particular car has lot of crevices, so there are enough spaces where the rats can stay. This way I have sprayed the entire product in the engine compartment. There are other areas also which I will tell you to do. The place near the silencer pipe. Since this area remains warm, they also visit this area occasionally. I have applied this product, so in this way you can easily deter the rats, making your car a pretty hunting ground. And in this way you can easily do this job at home, and you can buy this product from the Amazon. I will give you the links if you are interested, and if you find the video useful, please do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe.